makes a hand like this because, like I've told him many times, you need to look for your own style, dude. So, you know what what he made out of that? Instead of relaxing your hand when you're kicking, he turns it into this, okay? And then he goes, with his hands as he's doing leg kicks with leg holding. When you do leg holding kicks, you're supposed to keep your hands in place. You're not supposed to swing your arms around, okay? That's for power kicks, not for leg holding kicks. Like, you cannot do leg holding kicks the right way if you're swinging your arms around like an idiot. Now look at this clip here.
Now, who better to put as an example for leg holding than someone who's better at leg holding than I am? Yes, Chloe Bruce is better at it. Look at her hands. Hands are relaxed. Anytime you see Chloe Bruce do leg holding, you will notice that her hands are relaxed and in place. She's not swinging her hands around like an idiot like Viking Samurai does. See, hands in place and relaxed, not tense. Take note, you moron.
So it's like, balance, he's gonna get a point taken off, even though he's pretty good at like faking it in his stupid videos. If you guys will catch that from a different angle, you guys will see that he doesn't have balance. Now control. Control, has he ever proven he has control? Okay, like I've proven it in many videos when I land kicks on people, when I kick leaves, and fighting and everything. He's never proven to have real control with his kicks. In fact, I've made a video on him where he's kicking a bag and he's kicking the bag as it's moving away, which shows that he has no control. So minus on control, point off. Now leg holding and strike, we're gonna get to the same thing I said a minute ago. Leg holding should mean you're able to hold your leg all the way up straight. He can't do that, like the way I showed in the beginning.
Now, even when he's holding, he's doing it wrong. Old Taekwondo school drilled my ass, okay? Look at his arms, and he's leaning forward. The arms should be placed like mine, the way you would do in an actual kick. Leg all the way up straight, leaning back. I'm pushing myself back with my arms so that I'm leaning back and not leaning forward to be counter-kicked, moron.
A few moments later.
40 seconds.
One eternity later.
51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60.
He got Rose Motorbutter because of me. I introduced him to Rose Motorbutter. And the leg holding that he does in the beginning of the movie, that's a real professional leg holding. He doesn't even get close, all right? And Van Damme does the leg holding better than him. You know, he needs obstacles to hold himself, and when he doesn't have it, he's leaning to the side, and he can't even do it that long. And he can only do it when he's throwing super slow.
Like, I got haters on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. I don't really care, but I'll tell you the sad reality of it, man.
Feeling sorry for himself. How dare you intrude here, little man?
It's because they know deep down that they are not doing what they should have done and what they could be doing, and they have not realized their dream, their goal. They have not realized and accomplished what they wanted to in life.
And they love to see people fail, because then it just
signifies to them that, oh, you know what, it doesn't matter, like, people just can't make it, the world's against you, right?
When they see somebody moving up and succeeding, it deep down fucking hurts them, because they know they didn't do everything they could have done.
And they feel like an even bigger failure.
That's the problem, and they take that shit out on you.
That was fun, wasn't it? I really am something special.